In this lesson, I will show you how to modify a table schema. In the previous video, we learned how to create table and how to insert data into it using create table syntax. Now in this video, I will show you how to modify the table schema. So let's start with the renaming the table name. For example, I have a table name under the album database. I want to change the name to another name. So what I will do, I will use the alter table syntax. Alter table, then the table name, the current table name, then write rename to the new table name. For example, I want to change the test table to employee table, and then close the syntax and execute the query. The table has successfully changed to employee table. The other thing which can be used using the alter table syntax is adding a column to your table. So let me see what column I have inside this table. As you see, we have 4 columns. If I want to add another column, I can use the alter table syntax. Alter table, then the table name, then write add, then the column name and the data type. For example, I will add address. The data type is, for example, text. Close the syntax and then run the alter table syntax, and let's see what we have now. As you see, another column has been added to your table. When you add a column, you can also specify the constraint. For example, the default constraint. So let's add another column with a default constraint. Then specify the data type. After the data type, I will write the default constraint. Then, for example, I will put New York as a default. So let's execute this alter syntax and then select everything from the table. As you see, we have address 2 with the New York as a default data inside it. The other thing which we can do using the alter table syntax is renaming the column name. For this, we will write alter table, then the table name, then write rename the current column name, then to the new column name. Close the syntax and then run this query and then select everything from the table. As you see, the column name has been changed to location. So using alter is very useful in some scenarios. You can rename the table name, column name, add in a new column. Also, you can specify the constraint.